Hello, can you hear me? Okay. Kanina pa pala ako.
Hello, can you hear me?
Okay, so kanina pa ako nagsasalita, yun pala, wala pang naka-off ang mic ko. Sorry lang. Okay, again, we have, as our attendants, we have Jasmine Nuruddin from Ten Quasar. We have Sherwina Tamborani of 10 Aries. And then we have Charlene Timbangsug of 10A Crooks. Vladimir Soril of 10A Crooks. And then we have Bethany Rakilme of 10 Aries. For 10A Crooks, I'm sorry to say, but I am no longer your grade 10 math teacher, but you may view this live for your information na lang. Yun. So, Bethany Requilme wants to start and Charlene Timbangso wants to start already. So, thank you for being with me on this live. I would like to say my appreciation to few of you because as expected, I should have 200 at least, but hindi natin kontrolado kung walang load ang iba, so let us start. So let me have your attention na the discussion that we're going to take today should be effective on your week 3 answer sheets. Okay. Okay. So the things that we're going to discuss today should be effective on week 3 of your answer sheets. If you already have your week 2 in which you're going to submit on Friday with your advisor, okay lang yon. But on week 3, I want these things to happen on your answer sheets because that's what I have observed. Many of you are not having the same format. So, in your answer sheet, we are going to have this format. Answer sheets should be in one whole. Since we don't have printed answer sheets already due to wala ng ink, so answer sheets should be in this format. Mathematics 10, we have here, heading nyo is Mathematics 10. And then, on the upper left-hand corner of your paper, you are going to put your name. Claro? With family name, comma, your given name, and your middle initial. And then, opposite your name is your grade and section in which we have 10 Quasar, 10 Aries, and 10 Milky Way. 10 Milky Way should be with me. I am the advisor rather of 10 Milky Way. That's why if you visit my YouTube channel, you will see that it is frequent na merong 10 Milky Way because 10 Milky Way is my advisory class. So yon. Below your name is the week number. So again, as I said, this will be effective on your week 3 of the on your answer sheet. So week 3, wala na tayong module number because every week isang module na lang ang meron tayo. And for this quarter, we must accomplish 9 modules or 9 modules. So we should have 9 weeks. Klaro tayo? Are we clear? Are we clear? Okay. Now, let us have, for a while, let us have the things that you're going to answer on week 3. We have the activity and the name of the activity. So in this format, for example, we have your the heading, the subject matter, which is Math 10, then your name, and then opposite your name is your grade and section, and then below your name is the week number. Now, one space after we have your activity or the name of the activity. You may screenshot this live for you to have your um, copy. So you may screenshot this one. Okay, please tell me if you are done having the screenshot para mapasa nyo din sa mga classmates nyo na wala dito. Comment done if you're done. Comment done if you're done. 6, 7 viewers, comment done if you're done. Hello? Can you hear me? Okay? Wala, mong good sila. Okay. Okay, very good. We have a response. We have done na mag-screenshot si Bethany, si Sherwina, and si Charlene. Done na din sila. So, I expect na yung iba na hindi nag-comment ng done, natapos na din nila. Okay, so let us have the tawag dito? Yung module. Kung ano-ano yung mga isasagot nyo. Okay. So, okay. Now, we are on. Very good. Zaira Ginoo, thank you for being with us. Okay, Midspar, Basa. What section are you, Midspar? For the attendance? Okay. Okay. Now, we have here the sample module of week 3. Ito yung i-answer nyo at gusto ko na effective ito sa week 3 submission ninyo. Okay, Midsfar Basa is from 10 Aries. Noted, Midsfar, your attendance is counted already. So, this one is your module. If napasa na sa inyo ng advisor ninyo, Jaylene Rojas, please tell me if anong section ka for your attendance. Thank you. So, going back, so we have this module. So, sa papel natin kanina na shinow ko sa inyo, you're going to write activity. Yes, Jeline Rojas, you are from 10 Aries, okay? Your attendance is already noted. Thank you. Realin Aklo, please give me your name and your section, please, so that meron tayong attendance. Thank you. Now, going back sa ating discussion, we have, sa paper natin, right? Sa paper, meron tayong isusulat na activity and the title is Fill Me Up. Sa Fill Me Up, isulat natin, no need na ang direction, isulat natin etong guide questions. So, kailangan nating isulat ito and the answer below. Also with this one, isulat yan. So, for this activity, we have 6 items. If you have watched my YouTube channel or if you are a subscriber of my YouTube channel, I already wrote 5 items. So dito 6, doon 5. So kung na-view nyo yung YouTube channel ko, meron ito doon and you may answer 5 on this activity only. If na-view nyo. If wala, then write everything here in this module. Klaro? Okay, Realin Aklo is from 10 Galaxy. Very good, Realin. At least meron tayong representative ng 10 Galaxy. Angelo Santa Teresa is from 10 Acrux. Okay. Okay. So, yan. So, nandito na tayo sa module. Okay. So, if na-view nyo, as what I have said a while ago, if na-view nyo yung YouTube channel ko, which is entitled, ano ba yung nasa YouTube channel ko? Wait lang ha. In which it has a title of, wait, Finding the common ratio of the given sequence. Nandito sa video na yon yung activity na ito. If you have already viewed ano tawag dito? The video, meron yun doon 5 items of similar activity. So yon, pwede nyong i-answer yon, or this one which has 6 items. Now, this geometric sequence discussed, wait lang, lowat na ako, saglit lang. Okay. This one is already discussed on the said video that I have told you. If you want a clear understanding of this one, meron ito sa video na yon. And then we have common ratio, meron din ito. Discussions of this part are on that video. Excluded ito because I think it's not important. Pero itong formula na ito is also included on the next video that I have uploaded, which is entitled Use Geometric Sequence Formula to Find the Terms of the Geometric Sequence. Tama? Tama. Use the geometric sequence formula to find the terms of a geometric sequence. Andun ito sa video na yon. So, etong mga examples na to are also in that said video. Now, we have this one. Yan. Now, SAC questions, we have this one. SAQ1. How to find the ratio of the two numbers should be answered. Yes, Bethany, ma'am, pwede left muna ako kasi nag-call yung taga Red Cross sa amin, ma'am. Okay, Bethany, you may, very, okay lang. John Kiel Almorphy, welcome from 10 Pesar. Jeline Castaneda from 10 Aries, your attendance is already noted, mga langga. Now, going back, SAQ1, how to find the ratio of any two terms should be answered sa ating module. Should be written and answered in our answer sheets. So, the first activity that should be written in our answer sheet should be this one, fill me up. And then the next question that dapat nyong answeran is this SAQ1 and SAQ2. How did you find the ratio of any two terms? And the next question Can you find the ratio of the first number to the second number? Yan. Answer those things. And then, we have let's practice. Nasa ano na din to, nasa video na din to. If you viewed it, yon. And then, we have a message. Ito, kailangan tong sagutin. Wala ito sa video. Kailangan tong sagutin ninyo. And then, on our module, we have the remember or the key points. The important things na kailangan nyong malaman or kailangan nyong ilagay sa ulo ang mga bagay na ito. Okay. So, we have this one, assessment 1. After ng SAQ 1 and 2, ito ang isusulat. Assessment 1, directions, copy everything. And then, assessment 2, we have these questions, copy everything. And then, assessment 3, we have these questions, multiple choice, copy everything. Now, lesson 2, we have activity, where do I belong? Nasa video na din ito. If you have visited my, si Shopee. My God. Now, we have this one, lesson 2, activity, first activity on lesson 2. And then, this should be answered also with this part. So, yan. And then, ito din, guide questions. Dapat answeran din ito. Ayan. And then, this one are also part of the video. Kung ayaw nyo tong basahin, pwede ding i-watch nyo ang videos ko. Pwede din. Ganon. Now, these examples, ito siya, i-upload ko this evening or tomorrow. Pwedeng tomorrow kasi bukas holiday. So, ayan. And then, what else? What else? This one, SAQ1. For lesson 2, we have how do you determine if a sequence is geometric? So, essay ito, answer the question by a statement or essay, pwede din, para madaming points. So, yan, SAQ1 and SAQ2. How to determine the common difference of an arithmetic sequence. And how about the common ratio of the geometric sequence? How do you determine those things? If you have watched this part or the video that I will be uploading tomorrow or later evening, makukuha nyo yung answer doon. And then, this part, let's practice. Ito din, isulat. Entirely ha, copy everything. Ayan. And then, this assessment 1, copy everything. Isulat. Classify the words, symbols written in the clouds, whether they belong to arithmetic or geometric. When we say ratio, saan siya? Sa arithmetic or sa geometric? When we say difference, saan siya mafo-fall? Sa arithmetic or sa geometric? Meron bang difference sa geometric or nasa arithmetic siya? Ganun. And then we have addition. When we say addition, saan ba natin ginagamit ang addition? Sa arithmetic or sa geometric? Or multiplication, we have this one. Saan kaya siya nabibilong? Ayan, and so with the other things. Itong formula na to, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times t. Anong formula to siya? Is it sa arithmetic or sa geometric? Write your answer on the box. Klaro? Okay. Next, we have a sub n. This formula, saan siya? Arithmetic or geometric? Isulat lang kung saan sila nabibilong. Now, for assessment 2, state whether the sequence is geometric or arithmetic. Determine the next term. So, if ever, sa assessment 2, if this sequence is arithmetic, Then, write the word arithmetic and isulat ang next term. Now, for number 2, is it arithmetic or geometric? Isulat kung arithmetic lang or geometric and provide the next term. So, with the other items that we have. Now, for assessment 3, all you have to do is just choose the letter of the correct answer from the given choices and circle the letter of your choice. So therefore, if you have this one, copy everything para if i-return ko sa inyo, may ma-review pa kayo. So copy everything and then encircle the letter of your choice. So ano-ano ang mga isusulat sa assessment and answer sheet. So we have this activity 1, fill me up. And then we have SAQ 1 and 2. And then let's practice activity 1, am I geometric? And activity 2, what's the message? So decode natin itong message na to. And then after the activity, what's the message? Meron tayong assessment 1, copy everything. Assessment 2, copy everything. And assessment 3, copy everything. May question si Sherwina Tamburani. Ma'am, isulat pa po or show yung mga solution? Copy everything and then show your solution para very good talaga si Langga. Madami talaga siyang points. If gusto nyo ng madaming points, then copy everything and all. Isulat ang gusto nyong sagutan, ganyan. Pero kung gusto nyo ng middle-middle lang, so middle-middle lang din ang ang answer, ang pag-answer. If wala talaga for the sake of passing, then basta, I would recommend to try your best in answering the things because later part of this meeting, we're going to discuss the grading system on how will I grade you. Okay, very good. Thank you, Sherwina Tamburani. Ox na daw siya sa sagot ko. Now, okay na tayo. Okay na tayo for this one. Oh, for lesson 2, separate sheet if you must. So, the first activity for lesson 2 is, where do I belong? The next one will be SAQ1 and SAQ2. And then, and then next one is let's practice. Yan. And then we have this one, assessment 1, assessment 2, and assessment 3. So, ayan. So, yan ang mga isusulat nyo sa answer sheets. Now, we have Dave Carl Gilayan from 10 Venus. Langga, I'm not handling 10 Venus, pero welcome pa din. The same lang ito sa lahat ng sections. Applicable to sa lahat ng sections. Welcome pa din. Wala tong additional points for you. Pero thank you for having or for watching this live. Welcome. Okay. Now, so that's it for the module. Now, let's go back sa ating slides. Let's go back for a while. Give me a second. Okay. Share. Okay. So, going back sa mga bagong dating, ito yung format ng ating answer sheet. Grade 10, name, upper left-hand corner, and then opposite your name is your grade and section, and then below your name is the week. One space after, we have the activity or the activity, yung mga things na minention ko kanina, yun yung isusulat nyo dito. Alam ko sa isang week, madaming papel na kailanganin. So, ganun lang din. Just staple your papers para hindi mawala. Yes, Dave Gilayan, may tanong ka? Okay. Okay, reminder again. A reminder, SAQ question should be answered. Dapat sagutin talaga ang SAQ. Huwag nating dedmahin kasi dalawang statement lang siya, dalawang questions. Huwag natin yun dedmahin because it is part of your grade. Dave Card, Gilayan, may tanong ka? Ma'am, tanong? Wala, dinilit niya yung tanong niya. Dinilit niya ata, retracted. Okay. So, yan. Okay. Now, let's start with the grading system. So, how will I grade you? Grade you kasi hindi ko man kayo nakikita. Ang alam ko lang is yung mga papel na sinasubmit nyo, enter your names. If you're active sa Facebook group, most of you are not active on that group. So, ang pinaka-kilala ko lang, ang pinaka-alam ko lang is your names on my class records. And then, ang alam ko lang sa inyo is your answer sheets. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung itsura nyo or what, but that's the new normal, so we have to deal with it. So, paano ko kayo i-grade based on that? Based on your written outputs is 50%. Written outputs is 50% of your grades. So, and then performance output is 50% also of your grade and a total of 100%. Dati meron tayong 60-40, 20 ata yon. 60% for written outputs, for 40% for performance task, and 20% for, ano tawag dito? For periodic. Since we are in the new normal setting, wala tayong periodic. As what Pambriona said, wala tayong periodic, pero kailangan nating sumagot ng mga modules. So we have this one. Written outputs, 50%, and performance output, we have 50%. Total of 100%. Ano itong written outputs and performance output? Wait lang, may tanong si Realin Aklo. Ma'am, sa mga directions, ma'am, pwede bang di isulat? Yes lang ga, pwedeng hindi sulat ang mga directions. Ang importante is yung question and yung sagot. Did I answer your question rightfully, or are you satisfied with my answer? Type okay na ma'am kung okay ka na sa sagot ko. Okay na tayo? Okay. I think siguro okay na siguro si Realin Akalo. Now, for the written outputs, okay. For the written outputs, you're going to have 50%. Ito na yung answer sheets ninyo. So, you're going to get 50% if you have completed the 9 modules for this quarter. So, ayan. 9 modules completed. So, therefore, 50%. Kuha talaga yan ang 50% pang kumpletong nasagot lahat, na-answer nyo lahat ng tanong sa module. Yan. Makuha nyo yung 50%. Written outputs. Now, performance. Paano ko kayo i-grade through performance? Since alam natin na ang SAQ questions ay mga essay, So, pwede doon makakuha tayo ng performance because essay yun, makita natin kung talagang naintindihan nyo ba talaga ang lesson. And yun. So, kailangan nating sagutin talagang SAQ questions because it is 50% of your grade. Okay. Now, another performance that we are going to have is through a call. Anong call? Like for example, meron kayong mga contact numbers with your advisors, right? So, I have the copy of that contact numbers sa mga advisor ninyo, and sometime in November, I will start calling each one of you. So, lahat matatawagan. Yon, for their performance task. If worried kung by November and last week of November hindi pa rin kayo natawagan, therefore, tawag na kay ma'am, ma'am, hindi pa ako natawagan, ma'am. Baka siguro ganon. Tawagan nyo si ma'am if ever mga last week of November hindi pa kayo natawagan. Pero I assure you that each one of you will be called for your performance. Yung performance natin is just I will randomly ask questions like for example, what is arithmetic sequence? Ayan. So, in that moment, kailangan masagot ninyo what is arithmetic sequence. And then, yan na, grade na, 50% of your, 50% of your performance. And another surprise performance task na pwedeng i-include to be announced on our Facebook group. Ngayon, may question si JC Trono. Excuse me ma'am, if ang denominator and numerator same lang, ang answer po ba is positive? Okay. Okay. Ang tanong is, kung ang denominator at ang numerator the same lang, if you divide the same numbers in the numerator and the denominator, what will be the answer, JC Trono? Comment. Ano yung sagot sa ano? If we are going to divide the same number, for example, 2 divided by 2, ano yung sagot, JC Trono? Wait. Next, ano yun? If both negative ang denominator and numerator, ano to, JC Trono? If both negative ang deno, and numerator po sila. 1 po, ma'am. Okay. Ngayon, nagba-vary tayo sa sign if yung integer sa numerator and ang sabi niya is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay. Ngayon, if negative 2 divided by positive 2, what will be the answer, JC Tron? Negative 2 divided by positive 2, what will be the answer? Anyone sa mga nag-watch ng live ko, what will be the answer? Do you have any answer? If negative 2, I will write it, ha? Wait lang, ha? Dito tayo. Magsulat. Negative 1. Okay. So, very good, JC Trono. Your answer is right. So, ang sagot is negative 1. If you divide, wait lang ha, isulat natin para madaling maintindihan ng mga iba. So, we have this one. Insert equations. Okay, wait lang ha. Saglit. For a while, give me ano. Okay. So, if negative 2, ang tanong kasi ni JC Trono is, if ang denominator and numerator same lang ang answer na positive. For example, -2. Ito siya, -2. And this one is +2. Okay, very good, Jasmine Villarreal. Okay. Ang tanong ni JC Trono is, excuse me ma'am, if ang denominator and numerator same lang, ang answer po ba sa positive? Okay. It varies lang ga. For example, we have -2 divided by, ito ang numerator. For those na hindi alam, ito ang numerator, ito ang denominator. Ngayon, we have a sample here. For example, ang numerator natin is -2. Ang denominator natin is +2. So, ang sagot is, wait lang. Ang sagot is -1. Yan ang sagot. Observe nyo na if you are going to divide a negative integer by a positive integer, the answer is always negative. Rule yan sa operations on integer. Na pag opposite ang sign, or hindi sila the same ng sign, if the operation is division or multiplication, always yan siya negative ang answer. Now, if you divide 2 divided by 2, the answer is 1. Kaya, depende kung ano yung numerator. Say for example, ito negative, ito positive. Ayan. So, 2 divided by -2 is just -1. Kasi positive divided by negative is negative. And then 2 divided by 2 gives us 1. Klaro? Now, say for example, positive yan silang dalawa. 'Di ba? Positive. Ngayon, if they are positive, ano ang sagot? Is it negative or positive? Tanong. If 2 divided by 2, is it negative or positive? 2 divided by 2. Pag in-add nyo sila ng 2. Positive. Very good. Jasmine Villarreal. The answer is always positive. Like sign sila, kaya sila positive. Very good, JC Trono. You are getting my point. So, very good, Sherwina. Okay. So, pag dinivide mo ang 2 divided by 2, ang answer is always positive and the answer is 1. Wait lang, ba't tayo ng 1? So, the answer is 1. Klaro? Ngayon, if negative ang pag-divide nyo, anong sagot? What will be the answer? -2 divided by -2. If -2 divided by 11 viewers, ano yung sagot if you're going to divide -2 divided by -2? Walang sagot. OMG. OMG. Di sila marunong. 10 viewers. Nag-exit na si 1 viewer. Kaya na nosebleed na sa -2 divided by -2. What is the answer? -2 divided by -2. If both signs Very good, Sherwina Tamburani. The answer is positive 1 because negative divided by negative is positive. Very good din si Jasmine and si JC Trono. So the answer is negative, positive 1. Should you want, kasi this one is a meeting, should you want that I will teach you on how to the operations on integers? Gusto niya ng ibang live doon or ibang video doon para dun tayo mag-interact, no? Good idea kaya yun? Para dun tayo mag-interact if ever, for example, may question kayo, ganyan, paano sagutin. Would you want that or not or no? So, wala tayong magawa. If you don't want, let's schedule a thing, meeting for that. Operations. Kasi as what I have observed, meron sa inyo hindi alam kung paano mag-divide or paano mag-subtract. Ito nga division may nagro-wrong pa. So, I think the basic thing na we need to know is the operations on integers. So, it's not part of the lessons in grade 10 because it is expected of you na dapat alam na natin ang operations of integer because that one is a grade 7 lesson. So, dapat marunong tayo sa operations. Pero since parang meron pa sa inyo na hindi alam ang operation of integers, mag-schedule tayo ng ibang live for that. Para interactive tayo, no? Very good, Realin, Aklo, meron tayo. Meron tayong so yan. Klaro na tayo doon. JC Trono, did I answer your question? Are you satisfied with it or kailangan pa ng further explanation lang ga? The answer is depende kung ano yung numerator, kung ano yung sign ng numerator, kung bigger ba, smaller ba ang numerator sa denominator, mga ganon. Depende ang sagot lang ga. Opo, ma'am. Meron pa ako tanong, JC Tronos. Oh, may tanong ka pa. Sige, go. Before we proceed with our next discussion, the next slide. Actually, malapit na tayo matapos. May tanong pa si JC Trono. I'm waiting, JC Trono. Okay, next. Ma'am, if given, oh my gosh. Parang nakikita ko na wait lang ha. If given is negative 6, ang sagot pa is 3/2. Are you giving the answer or are you... Wait. This one is another topic. This one is not operation on integers, but turning a number into lowest term. So, ito. 6. Wait lang ha. Negative 6/4. Ang sagot po ba is 3/2? Yes or no lang to ang sagot, no? Pero I want to explain. Charot. Okay. Observe nyo, negative divided by negative. Anong sagot? Negative divided by negative. Yung kanina, di ba, meron tayong negative 2 divided by negative 2. Anong sagot? Ngayon, ang tanong ko is, Ano ang, what is, tawag dito? Ano ang sagot if you're going to divide negative divided by negative? Positive. Ay, very good ngayon. Si Jasmine oh my God. Wait lang. Jasmine Villarreal. Oh, yun. I did pronounce it right. Jasmine Villarreal, very good. Your answer is right. Positive, positive. Jeline Rojas, positive. Okay, very good. So, pag negative divided by negative, ang answer is positive. Tama? So alam na natin na ang answer is positive. Ngayon, ang tanong niya is kung 3/2. Ngayon, okay. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin is we are going to find the common factors of the two. So, i-divide natin sila, divide, first division. Lang ha, mag-equation tayo dito. Para at least may makuha din kayo sa akin. So, what I divide? Ayan, divide, and then, what number is common between 6 and 4? What number is common between 6 and 4? Common factors nila ha, yung number na pwede mong i-divide both sa 6 at 4. Ano yung number? Ano yung number na common? 2 po. Very good. JC Trono, Jeline Rojas, Jasmine Narudin. Ayan, very good. The common number is 2. Bakit 2? Kasi pag dinivide natin siya sa 2, pag dinivide natin ang 6 sa 2, ang sagot is a whole number. The same with 4. So, yung common factors ng 6 and 4 is 2. So, therefore, common silang dalawa, so we divide it by 2. Ngayon, we're going to have equal sign, insert. Okay. So, gawa tayo ng isa pa. Ayan. So, ayan. So, ngayon, let us divide, since they are common between 6 and 4, let us divide the numerators. 6 divided by 2, ano ang sagot? Negative ha, negative 6 divided by negative 2, ano ang sagot? Negative 6 divided by positive 2 rather. Comment your answer. Naka 1 hour na tayo, magiatay. So, yan, very good. We have Jasmine Villarreal, very good sa math. We have Jasmine Villarreal and Jasmine, dalawa silang very good. Jasmine Villarreal and Narudin. So, we have negative 3. Si JC Trona, hindi pa sure sa sagot niya, pero tama na yan, JC. So, ang sagot is negative 2. Okay, tama. Negative 3 pala rather. So, the answer is negative 3. Negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. And negative 4 divided by 2 is equal to? Yes, Realin Aklo. Common sa kanila is 2. Okay. Ngayon, ang question ko, negative 4 divided by 2. Sagot. It's very good talaga ang dalawang Jasmine, oh. Very good. So, the answer is negative 2. Ayan. So, is this your final answer? Very good din si JC Trono and Bethany Rekilme. Very good. Ngayon, is this your final answer? Yes or no? Is it a yes or a no? Merong yes, merong no, merong yes, yes, no. Oh my gosh, hindi sila naging the same ngayon. Okay, so ang sagot is no. It is not yet the final answer. Bakit? Meron tayong negative na dalawa. Pwede pa natin silang i-divide. And we know, as I have said, that negative, wait lang ha, equals pa natin to. Insert symbols, we have that one. Wait lang ha, sagay tayo fractions, another fraction. Ayan, so ayan, maayos na. So, ayan. So, meron tayo, di ba, negative divided by negative is positive as we have said a while ago. So, therefore, ito siya magiging 3 over 2. Negative divided by negative is positive 3 over 2. So, ang final answer natin is 3 over 2. Sana yung question kanina ni JC Trono. Wait lang, ayan. Oh, did I answer your question, JC Trono? I think I have answered your question. Kayo pala nagsagot, hindi ako. I just guided you for the right answer pala. Kayo sumagot, hindi ako. 'Di ba? We have a discussion. So, ma'am, if given is negative 6 over 4 divided by negative 6 divided by 4, negative, ano daw? Negative 6 over negative 4, ang sagot po ba is 3 over 2? The answer is yes. Okay? Okay na tayo. Okay, thank you. No worries, JC Trono. Till next time. Okay, let's proceed with the last slide. Naka 1 hour na tayo. Goodness. So, wait lang. So, we are done with the grading system. Now we're done with this slide. Let's proceed with this one. Questions on our Facebook group should be in this manner. Name, grade and section, date and time, and question. Ayan. So, if for example, nag-post ako for week 3, ano-anong mga questions na gusto nyong i-answer ko or ano-anong mga queries ninyo. So, name, write your name, grade and section. Comment lang doon sa Facebook group kung ano yung question nyo. Name, grade and section, date and time, kung kailan kayo nagtanong, and your question. Ayan, ganyan ang format ha, para ma-address natin ng tama. Okay? So, ito yung mga questions. Should you want na para maging madali ang pagsagot or para mas madaling maintindihan, should you want a Facebook Live, YouTube Live, okay lang din sa akin. Basta free ako, free ang schedule ko, okay lang talaga sa akin. Kung may tanong kayo with regards sa math na medyo complex, pwedeng mag-Facebook Live, dun tayo mag-discuss ng kung ano yung mga questions nyo. Pwedeng ganon. If you want, let us schedule yon. So, any more questions? Any questions? Any questions with regards to anything? Wala na? Do you have any questions? If wala na, none, very good, yes. So we have wala na daw si Bethany, wala na si Jeline, wala na din siyang question, si Jasmine Narudin. So if ever may tanong ang mga classmates nyo, you can share this live. This will be available on my YouTube channel. Nandiyan lang yan siya. If you want questions, please share this to your classmates na wala dito para if ever may load na sila, pwede nila tong i-view para masagot ang mga tanong nila at ma-orient sila. This one is just orientation or something that you would have to know in Math 10. So, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you on my next live, I think. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. Thank you. Thank you for being with me. Thank you. Thank you. Bye, everyone.